What's the best crypto off-ramp when taking profits? I like the American exchanges because I'm based in America. So I would say Gemini and Coinbase. I like Gemini because there's no withdrawal limit. Like you can cash out 50 million in one day on Gemini, no questions asked. That's why I think they're the best. But Coinbase Pro has a withdrawal limit of like 100,000 a day. So if you're doing small amounts, no issues. But if you're doing large amounts and you want to cash out fast, Coinbase Pro is not really the best in my opinion. Now you can increase that limit, but you have to basically put in a support ticket and they'll increase it. Like I've had it increased all the way up to like $500,000. But if you don't use it after some time, like after like a month or a quarter, I think probably a month, they take it back to 100K. So I don't like having to put in a ticket just to increase my limit every single time. On Gemini, no questions asked.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.